Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get this voice chat. As you can see at my avatar's head on top, there's a mic icon. So how to enable this or how to get this mic icon or mic or beta feature in Roblox. So if you haven't get if you didn't get yet, so if you want to know that, guys, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Roblox app or go to roblox.com in browser. You can do both. You can do the same thing in roblox.com or the Roblox app. But I'll recommend you to open the Roblox app on your phone. So it will look like this. Now go to click on this settings icon. Go to setting of your phone app or in browser. And now you have to go to this account info in app as well if you are using phone or on PC. And now you just need to, guys, make sure that you have verify your age. So if you verify your age, as you can see, my age is verified. After verifying age, guys, if you open the privacy option and scroll down, so these two options will be added after verifying the age. One is for the microphone use and the other is for the camera input. So if you want to use or if you want to get the voice chat option, you need to use you need to have these two options. So one microphone option. So you can see I have both options. So one is for the one is for the permission to access microphone, and other is to access camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So once you enable these two options, now you just need to open any game that supports microphone and camera, and just open any camera. So like please donate supports both camera and microphone. Now you just need to click on this Roblox icon and enable the voice chat by this option. Just click on it or tap on it, and my voice chat will be enabled. And now you can see there is a variation in the mic. It means it is using your microphone as an input. And also if you want to use your camera to animate your face, you can enable this by clicking on this camera video icon. So it will use your device, my camera, and it will animate your avatar with your camera movement. Whenever you move or whenever you change your face expression, it will sync with your avatar face. So these two options are new in the new update of Roblox, and hope you understood. If you are new on channel, guys, please subscribe to our channel. I hope you like the video. I hope you understood. So to get these voice chat, you need to first verify your age. And to verify your age, you have to use your mobile phone, where you need to upload the first front and back side of your voter ID or any government issue ID like a driving license. And once you upload both these things, and now it will ask you to upload the selfie as well. And once you upload the selfie, your your age will be verified, and after verifying age, these two options will be added into your privacy section. Once you enable these two options, now your voice chat will be enabled in the game itself. You just need to click on the mic icon, and your voice chat will be enabled. Fine. I hope you liked it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.